The WhatsApp link won't work on iPhones. If you're experiencing issues with the WhatsApp link not working on your iPhone, don't worry. To fix these issues, here are some quick troubleshooting processes you need to follow to solve your problem. Solution 1. Check and update your WhatsApp. Open App Store, tap Search, type WhatsApp. Now you find that there is a new update. Please update your WhatsApp, but if there is no update, follow the next solution. Solution 2. Offload the app. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find out WhatsApp. Now tap Offload. Tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Clear browser cache. If you're using a browser to open the WhatsApp link, clear the cache and browsing data. This can help resolve any temporary issues or conflicts. In Safari, go to Settings, scroll down, tap Safari and select Clear History and Website Data. Tap Clear again. After following the process, your WhatsApp link will be opened. If you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.